Hi guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today in this quick video you will learn how to take a screenshot or export frame in Camtasia Studio 9 and save it as an image. Also make sure to check out the description for some useful free resources that you can use for your video editing. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and hit that bell icon so you know when the new tutorial is out. Okay, let's go. To export frame, position your playhead where you want and find what frame you want to export. I'll go here for example. You can fine-tune which frame you want to export by clicking these arrows here that say Previous or Next Frame. Go to Share and click this Export Frame As or press ctrl+f on the keyboard. It's faster. You will need to save this image, so just save somewhere and make sure to choose your desired format in this drop-down menu here. I'll go with the PNG format. Also make sure to rename it before you save it. It will be easier to find later instead of this mumbo-jumbo stuff, and make sure that you click this import to media bin to avoid extra importing later. It's all about speed. And this is it, very easy stuff and very useful feature of Camtasia. Thanks for watching, see you in some other video, be good and bye bye!